Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is Sindhu. So today I'm gonna mention everything that is in my makeup kit. This is a get ready with me. So you see me apply all the products and you see me achieve this look. When I was pregnant, the makeup artist in me took a back seat. I never used to put a lot of makeup on my skin and very recently after my daughter turned 1 year old is when I threw out all the old products I had, bought new ones, and I started applying more makeup. It makes me really happy and it uplifts my mood whenever I try on and put a little bit of makeup. So all the moms, I know you guys have very little time at hand, so this is a makeup that you can achieve in less than 10 minutes. So yeah, I've not used any brush or any sponge to apply, just my fingers, and I've done this makeup. So please keep watching to know how I achieve this look. This is my makeup kit and I'm gonna show all the makeup that I have in here, but in some time, because first I'm gonna moisturize my face. So I have washed my face and I've patted dry. So I'm done moisturizing now, so I'm gonna apply sunscreen. So sunscreen is a must even if you are staying inside the house. It's better to use some sunscreen. Once you wash your face in the morning, even if you've not had bath, just moisturize your face and apply sunscreen. There. So now that I've moisturized and applied sunscreen onto my face, I'm gonna open up my makeup kit. I'm gonna show you everything step by step of what I apply and how I apply. So the first thing that I do is do my eyebrows. A well-defined eyebrows makes a lot of difference. So first thing that I'm gonna do is do my eyebrows. If you are gifted with like really nice eyebrows, then you might as well skip this step. But I'm not one among them, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So yeah, this is me after doing my eyebrows, so you can see how defined they look now. The next thing that I'm taking out from my makeup kit is a moisturizer. So this is a tinted moisturizer. You can use a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. Just make sure that you're buying the right shade for your skin color. So this is how my skin looks after this tinted moisturizer. So once you're done applying the tinted moisturizer or BB cream, your skin is now even toned, right? So all the dark points of your face is little even now. So your face looks a little flat. So you might see this after applying a lot of foundation, that your skin looks too flat, and make it look normal again, you have to apply some amount of color on your face. For regular use, you can use a blush like this. So once I'm done with my cheek, I'm gonna define my lips. A lot of people do not apply lip liner, and it makes a lot of difference again. So the amount of definition and the amount of highlight that goes into your lips when you apply a lip liner is amazing, and I'm gonna show you guys now. So I've lined my lip now, and I'm gonna jump to my lipstick. So make sure that the lip liner is not very evident. Just try to merge it a little bit like that. So make sure that you buy a color that matches your skin tone well, and which is like a very nice nude or nice pink or a nice brick red that matches your skin tone and goes with a lot of your outfit as well. So I am almost done with my makeup routine. The last thing that I apply is a mascara. I used to hate mascara. I don't know why. I seriously can't remember why. So this is what I do when I go out, you guys. This is the amount of makeup that I apply, and this is the amount of makeup that I apply when I'm recording a video. And usually this is the amount of makeup I apply, and these are the products that I absolutely love using. But there are two more products that I want to share. So the first product is compact. So yeah, you can apply powder if you want. If you have a oily face, then a powder is a must in your makeup kit, and you can apply powder if you want your makeup to stay longer. So I'm gonna just apply very little on the high points of my face, not everywhere, just on the high points and just on the T-zone. So compact is completely your choice, you guys. If you have oily skin, it's good that you put some kind of powder or a setting powder on your face. It can be a loose powder, something that is yellow and something that is not white. A white powder is gonna make your face look gray after some time. So yeah, do not put anything white on your face. The last product that I want to mention is a highlighter. A highlighter is as important as a lipstick when you want to look all dolled up. It's good to have at least one highlighter in your kit, so that you know the day you want to make your makeup look a little more grand and a little more festive, you can use a highlighter. So this is my go-to makeup look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'm gonna just repeat the products that I used in the order that I use now. First, I used an eyebrow pencil and I defined my eyebrows. Then I used a tinted moisturizer. You can as well use a BB cream. So yeah, to even out your skin tone and to just cover a little bit of dark patches or dark circles or maybe a pimple or an acne, you can use a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. Then I used blush just to highlight my cheeks a little bit, and then I defined my lips with a lip liner and applied lipstick. So, and then I used a mascara. So these are the things that I absolutely do every day. On top of that, you can use a liner or a kajal if you are somebody who cannot live without them. I've gone through that phase where I use a lot of eyeliner and a lot of kajal on my eyes every day. So I've passed that phase now. And the next thing that I used, which I don't use every day, but it's good to use for oily skin, is a powder, a setting powder or a compact powder. And the last thing is, when you want to highlight your face and look a little more festive, you can use a highlighter. So these are the things that are an absolute must in your makeup kit, you guys. Please give it a like if you enjoyed watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget that. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.